Apple likely announcing new MacBook Air with M4 chip this week. Happy M4 MacBook Air week for those who celebrate. In his first edition of Power On since officially becoming Bloomberg's managing editor of consumer tech, Mark Gurman reports that there are no delays in the way of Apple unveiling the 2025 model MacBook Air this week. Gurman has consistently reported that the M4 MacBook Air was slated to be unveiled as early as March. With the iPhone 16e announcement and release behind us, it appears that the focus can now shift to the Mac for the week. If the M4 MacBook Air has the same specs as the standard M4 MacBook Pro, we can expect a few upgrades over the M3 MacBook Air. 10-core CPU versus 8-core CPU. Up to 32GB RAM versus up to 24GB RAM. 120GB per second memory bandwidth vs 100GB per second memory bandwidth. 12 megapixels center stage webcam. We may also see optional and nanotexture display option for reduced glare, an hour or two of additional battery life, and hopefully a surprise or two. Then there's the question of what happens to the existing MacBook Air line. Apple upped the base RAM on both the M2 and M3 models from 8GB to 16GB last year without changing the price. Guess is that upgrading the base M2 model RAM prepared the way for the M2 MacBook Air to remain in the lineup. The M3 MacBook Air, on the other hand, can be replaced by the M4 MacBook Air. In fact, Amazon is currently selling the M3 MacBook Air for $50 less than the M2 MacBook Air, signaling that the M3 is being cleared out of the inventory. That's all for today.
Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.